Do you want to make a video that has linkable buttons on the screen? Let me show you what I mean.
Hey guys, would you like to learn the 3 steps you need?
After 7 seconds, the buttons come up. Isn't this brilliant? Okay, then you can press yes, and it goes to a link. Okay, that's another video that I want to show you. But you can go to another question. You can make a video quiz funnel, okay? Or you can put no and send it somewhere else. This is just a demo, guys. But yes, I am doing a 5-day challenge. So let me show you how to do this. You hop over to Builderall Hosting. And what you do is you go to the dashboard and you add media. So you go my media. So you add new media and then you put your video in here. Okay. Then edit video tags and transparency. What you do is you add a tag. So what I'm going to show you how to add a tag. For example, select file, collect. Let's have an arrow so that I can show you exactly what happens. And you have to add the timing. Timing can be 5 seconds. Oops. 5 seconds, so it's going to come up before the others. Okay, then you press play and it should come up after 5 seconds before the other two. There it is. Okay, then you can move it around and place it where you want. Okay, then so that's positioning. You can actually position it with a grid or position it with your cursor, which is much easier. There's the timing. You can do an action. So if you want to put a URL, there it is. You put your URL there. So it could be the link of your choice. Then that's the content. You can also fade in, fade out, move from left to right, blah, blah. But this is just a basic one. So that's how you do it, guys. Let's, just for fun, let's do google.com. So we're just going to get google.com and we are going to add this link into here so I can show you exactly what's happening. So you put the action in, URL, go, and it saves automatically. Okay, so this should be good to go. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my media because it's saved automatically. And I'm going to get the link from here. Let's see. Press everything off. Get the link. Let's see how it works. Go. So what you do is you press that and the red arrow should come up before the other two. This is so easy, guys. Look, there it is. Let's click on that. Hey! Oh, God, guys, this is so exciting. You can do anything with this. You can do a quiz funnel. Are you open to network marketing? Are you open to giving up your 9 to 5? How many hours work a week can you give? Stuff like that to get them into your business up. If it's a health one, you could say, do you want to lose weight? Yes or no? have you heard of this green tea extract? Yes or no? Then you can put them onto your green tea extract. This is so powerful, guys. If you want a free trial of Builderall for 14 days, click the link below. If you want a demo from me about what the other tools you can use in Builderall are, just hit me up on Facebook. That's where I live. And let's get you earning so you can give up your 9-to-5 job, guys. If you want some rapid profit machine training, which is free from James Neville Taylor, the top Builderall affiliate of all times, Tony did the TikTok training and he got 500 likes on his very first TikTok video, and he's a complete newbie. So I'm not kidding. This training is amazing. Click the links below and I'll see you on the inside. Bye, guys.